The conditions necessary for the formation of ionic bonds, such as 1. Ionization enthalpy. The low value of ionization energy of the electropositive atom facilitates the formation of ionic bond. Lesser the ionization energy of the electropositive atom, greater will be its tendency to form cation and more easily it enter into the formation of an ionic bond. Fill in the blank question. Alkali and alkaline earth metals are the metals of this type. Second point, high electron gain enthalpy of nonmetals. A more negative value of electron gain enthalpy of the electronegative atom facilitates the formation of an ionic bond. More negative the value of electron gain enthalpy of the electronegative atom, greater will be its tendency to form an anion and more easily will be the ionic bond will be formed. Fill in the blank question. For example, elements belonging to group 16, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, and group 17, halogens, usually form ionic bond due to more negative values of electron gain enthalpies. Choose the correct answer. Different groups will be given. You have to select the correct answer. 3. High lattice energy. Lattice energy may be defined as follows. The amount of energy liberated in condensing the required number of cations and anions to form the lattice of 1 gram mole of an ionic compound is called the lattice energy of that compound. The lattice energy may be regarded as the measure of ease of formation and stability of an ionic compound. Again, one more fill in the blanks. Higher the lattice energy, greater will be the ease of formation of the compound and more stable will be the compound. B. Then, points regarding that. Smaller the size of the anions, greater is the lattice energy. Fill in the blank question. 2. Higher the charge on the ions, greater is the lattice energy. Fourth point, differences in electronegativities. The electropositive and electronegativity of the atoms involved in the formation of an ionic bond should have a large difference in the electronegativities. Again, fill in the blanks. Higher the difference in the electronegativity of the two atoms, greater will be the ease of the formation of the ionic bond. The formation of cations and anions of elements and their positions in the periodic table. The number of electrons that an atom gains or loses during the formation of an ionic bond is called electrovalency. Definition. The electrovalency is either equal to the number of electrons lost to form the positive ion or to number of electrons gained to form the negative ion. Thus, electrovalency is thus equal to the charge present on the ion. That means if an atom loses electron, positive charge, gains electron, negative charge. If 2 electrons are lost, 2 positive charge. 2 electrons gain, 2 negative charge. Therefore, for example, electrovalency of sodium is +1 because it loses 1 electron to form Na+ ion. Similarly, electrovalency of Cl is -1 because it gains one electron to form Cl minus ion. The tendency of an atom to form a cation or an anion depends upon its position in the periodic table. The elements of group 1 and group 2 are highly electropositive and has a very low ionization energies. Therefore, those elements prefer to form cations. On the other hand, the elements of the groups 15, 16 and 17 are highly electronegative and forms high value of electron affinity. Therefore, they prefer to form anions. Give reason question can be asked.